Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Ford F-150. Stock number is A7908. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side, inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes a third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and rear backup sensors on the back. Taking a look at the bed, Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate controls, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.